Scene opens with the vast, empty test track at MIT's Robotics Lab. A low rumble fills the air. Narrator VO. In the heart of Cambridge, where innovation meets raw engineering power, a new breed of machine awakens. Built not to walk, not to crawl, but to run. Faster than any robot before it. Camera pans down as the metallic form of the cheetah robot steps forward. Its black and silver limbs glint under the overhead lights. Elon Musk enters the frame, wearing a simple black jacket, watching intently. Narrator VO. Meet Cheetah, the high-speed quadruped robot from MIT's Biomimetic Robotics Lab, designed to mimic the speed, grace, and efficiency of its namesake in nature. This machine is the very definition of mechanical agility. Slow motion shot, Cheetah's legs extend and contract in perfect rhythm. Musk nods with visible excitement. Narrator VO. Powered by custom lightweight actuators and advanced control algorithms, Cheetah can sprint up to 28.3 miles per hour, a speed that challenges even Olympic sprinters. Cut to engineers calibrating sensors. Musk steps forward, speaking quietly to the lead engineer, Elon Musk. What you have built here is the future of ground mobility. We could adapt this tech for disaster zones, planetary exploration, even Mars. Narrator VO. Its body is equipped with high torque motors, an onboard battery system, and a spinal flex mechanism that increases stride length. Just like the animal, it's modeled after. Its laser sensors map the terrain in real time, ensuring each step lands with surgical precision. Narrator VO. Unlike traditional gas-powered prototypes, MIT's Cheetah runs on electricity, making it quieter, cleaner, and capable of indoor as well as outdoor testing. Close up. Internal components pulsing with energy. Musk's reflection in the casing. Narrator VO. Inside, a network of microprocessors analyzes balance, acceleration, and leg force hundreds of times per second. This allows Cheetah not only to run fast, but also to stop on a dime, leap over obstacles, and navigate uneven ground without human control. Montage: the robot running on a treadmill, jumping over hurdles, recovering from slips, Musk walking alongside it like a trainer beside an athlete. Narrator VO. Each leg houses custom-built electric motors paired with high-reduction gearboxes, delivering both explosive acceleration and stable landing impact resistance. A carbon fiber frame keeps weight low while maximizing strength. Cut to nighttime field test. Musk standing near the finish line, waiting as Cheetah sprints toward him. Narrator VO. This is not a machine for entertainment. It is a testbed for rescue, reconnaissance, and transport missions where speed can mean the difference between life and death. Camera zooms out. Cheetah slows to a stop, standing beside Musk, who places his hand on its frame. Elon Musk. This is just the beginning. We teach it to run on other planets. Narrator VO. Cheetah is proof that robotics isn't just catching up to nature, it's learning to run ahead. Fade out.